Move for me, ikaw na lang sa ano, sa inner. Ikaw na lang sa inner. Ako sa outer. Yun na.
Ready na po. Okay lang, hindi lang po kwentuhan. Pwede na siguro po. Pwede na.
Start na lang.
Okay, so work it natin. Ready?
Ah. Okay na? 3, 2. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Stakeholders Appreciation and Launching of RDESYs and KUGOS program with the theme, Ranga, Actions for Network, Growth, and Appreciation. To formally start our program, may I request everyone to please rise for the invocation, and also please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem to be led by Bicol University Chorale.
You may now be seated. Isang mapagpalang hapon sa ating lahat. Ako si Ava Nicole B. Asatea, Technical Staff ng Bicol Regional Food Innovation Center.
Ikinagagalak namin kayong makita dito sa Stakeholders Appreciation and launching of RDESYs and BU KUGOS program. My name is Mark Dave Azores, Technical Staff of Fabrication Laboratory Picol. Hi, partner.
Hi, partner.
You look divine.
Thanks, partner. You really are my friend. And because of that, you deserve a KUGOS.
Wow. Siyempre, dapat partner, ibalik mo. Ganyan ka, hindi mo binabalik, parang hindi tayo taga-RDE, sis.
Today marks the launch of one of research, development, and extension's transformative initiatives, RDESYS, crafted to streamline and elevate the process of submitting, evaluating, and monitoring research and extension proposals.
True to our vision as a university for humanity, we will also launch the BU KUGOS program, an extension initiative designed to align and strengthen our collective efforts toward building sustainable societies. Of course, all possible with the help of our stakeholders.
Together, we will witness the fruition of a shared, participatory, and collaborative endeavor that reflects the spirit of our institution. And now, to deliver the opening remarks, please welcome the dynamic director of the Research and Development Management Division, Dr. Elmer A. Lorenzana. Sir?
This afternoon, we are honored with the presence of leaders and partners whose wisdom and service affirm that true progress is built through shared purpose. Allow me first to extend our deepest respect and recognition to Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Libres, SUC President for Dr. Romel Serrano, Regional Director of DUST, Dr. Demetrio Anduyan, Regional Director of the Commission on Higher Education, Professor Indira B. Tabo, BUUFAI President, Dr. and Attorney Alex P. Nipomuceno, Dean of BUC SSP and President of Bugaay, Honorable Hisham Ismail, City Mayor of Legazpi, and of course to our Vice President of Bicol University, Dr. Maria Julueta Bores, the Vice President for Academic Affairs, Dr. Lani Maceda, the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, Professor Sani Ramos, the Vice President for Planning and Development, and of course, Mr. Cyrus Barameda, the Vice President for Administration and Finance. To our officers and representatives of national, agency, and local government units, our partners from private sector, our esteemed deans and directors from both academic and research units, our dedicated faculty researcher and extensionists, our media partners, and all our honored guests who share with us this meaningful occasion. Good afternoon to all of you. On behalf of the 7 discipline-based centers and 4 divisions of the Office of the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, and the Faculty Researcher and Extensionist of Bicol University, it is my great honor to welcome all of you to this meaningful occasion, the launching of the Research Development System Action for Network Growth and Appreciation, or RANGA, and the KUGOS University Extension Program. This gathering reminds us that the strength of our purpose sets on 2 commitments. First, efficiency with quality and research, and compassion with solidarity and extension. Knowledge that is not managed will loses its value, while service without compassion loses its soul. The RD system embodies our pursuit of efficiency and quality by digitizing proposal submissions and evaluation, broadening access to research output and publication through online platform. Bicol Ranga, meaning dignity and honor and pride. On the other hand, KUGOS stands for kaalaman at ugnayan, gabay sa organisasyon at sangkatauhan. reflects compassion and solidarity, the heartbeat of the university and the soul of our service. At Bicol University, we believe research is not an expense, it is an investment. It may take time, but it returns are sustaining, creating ripple of change that lasts. These returns are realized when research is utilized through transfer of technologies in the form of extension and commercialization and policy development, turning ideas into opportunities, livelihood, and improved governance. We already see this promise in our outputs. In agriculture, pili in cacao-based product like Pili Dairy, yogurt, organic cacao, and a pili processing machine add value for farmers and reduce post-harvest losses. In health sciences, pili research shows potential as anti-diabetic and anti-hypertensive resource, providing the worth of our biodiversity. In science and technology, we have the BOSES co-application, strengthen evidence-based policymaking, while virtual clinics and telemedicine expand healthcare access. And inclusive education, copyrighted training modules empower communities with knowledge. And business, a contextualized continuity plan equip micro-entrepreneurs nationwide for resilience. And through startups, our technologies create jobs and fuel local growth. These show that when research is put into practice, it transforms lives, strengthens communities, and drives development. We also take pride in the growing commitment of our faculty members. From 2023 to 2025, we have seen an almost 10% increase in faculty engagement and research and extension every year, a clear indicator that our academic community is embracing its role as knowledge generator, innovator, and stewards of societal transformation. This rising engagement strengthens our collective capacity to deliver outputs that matter and uplift lives. None of these achievements would be possible without our valued partners, supporting partners, and communities. Each contribute in unique ways, some through resources and expertise, other through lived experience and active engagement. Yet, all go beyond the roles of mere supporters and recipients. They are the true co-creators, co-implementers, and co-stewards of our initiative. Wisdom, collaboration, and commitment help shape research and extension into outcomes that are meaningful, sustainable, and transformative. Once again, on behalf of our 7 discipline-based centers, 4 division and dedicated faculty members and extensionists, I warmly welcome you all. May the launch of RDESYs and KUGOS inspire us to pursue knowledge that is efficient and excellent, to extend service that is compassionate and unifying. This is our ranga, our pride and dignity as a university for humanity. Sa paglunsad ng RD system and KUGOS, ipahiling ta ang satuyang tunay na ranga bilang universidad para sa pagkugos sa satong namamanwa na may rarong na pagserbi asin totoong pagkamuot. Diyos maray na hapon po sa inyong po.
Thank you, Director Lorenzana. Indeed, research and extension are investments and not expenses. At this point, we would like to acknowledge our stakeholders. Thank you very much for being here. Let us start with Director Romel or Serrano, Regional Director, Department of Science and Technology. Thank you very much, sir.
We would also like to acknowledge Director Dindo G. Nabol, Regional Director of Department of Trade and Industry.
We would like to acknowledge as well Director Edna Cynthia S. Burses, the Regional Director of the Department of Economy, Planning, and Development. and representative.
We would also like to welcome the director or the representative of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources.
We would like to acknowledge as well Director Norman S. Laurio and Representative, Regional Director, Department of Social Welfare and Development.
Of course, we would also like to acknowledge Attorney Arnaldo E. Escobar Jr., CISO 3, Regional Director of Department of Interior and Local Government.
We would also like to acknowledge Dr. Gilbert T. Sadsad and Representative, Regional Director, Department of Education. Sir, thank you very much, sir.
We would also like to acknowledge the Director Rodel R. Tornilla, or representative of the Department of Agriculture.
We would like to acknowledge as well Director Ariel U. Piquinto and Representative, Regional Director, Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources. Thank you very much, ma'am.
We would also like to acknowledge the OIC Regional Director, Director Rachel Ann P. Grabador, or representative from the Department of Information and Communication Technology.
We would also like to acknowledge the presence of Barangay Council representatives from Bagakay, Ma'am Janice Ian Rose Agripa, and Ma'am Jilma Gamo.
We'd also like to acknowledge the representatives of DZGB, Henry Maceda and Angel Mostaza.
We would also like to acknowledge Representative from Ledipo Legazpi, Maria Teresa Nunez. We would also like to acknowledge the presence of our deans, directors, vice presidents, research and extension coordinators. Thank you very much.
It is my distinct honor to introduce a visionary leader whose steadfast support and forward-thinking leadership have been instrumental in shaping these undertakings. His commitment to innovation and progress continues to guide the direction of our institution. Let all give our full attention to our very own SUC President 4, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III.
Thank you very much. To the dynamic and innovative Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, Dr. Lani Maceda, and her equally dependable, dynamic center directors, our people-centered members of the BU administration, other vice presidents, specifically to Vice President Cyrus Barameda of Administration and Finance, to our deans and directors, hindi ko na po kayo iisa-isahin. Our dear faculty regent, Madam Indira Tabo, and our alumni regent, Attorney Nepomucen, as represented by former RD Banwa. Our partners in innovation and globalization for sustainable development, especially to our DOST RD. Mahina talaga ang boses ko. To our DOST Regional Director, sana wag tayong iwanan, Dr. Romel Serrano. Our CHED Region 5, Director Dr. Demetrio Anduyan. Other directors and representatives of the national government agencies, our dear Legazpi City Mayor, Honorable Hisham Ismael, other stakeholders present, to our dear Bagakay family, friends, ladies and gentlemen, isang mapagpalang araw po sa Indugabos. Totoong ang araw na ito ay ipinagpala, gaya ng bawat araw. Ang kaibahan lang ay natatangi ang araw na ito sa ating pamantasan. ang ating minamahal na pamantasan ng Bicol. Natatangi sapagkat isa na namang inobasyon at napakahusay na gawa ang masasaksihan natin ngayon. Isang malikhaing inobasyon na naglalayong mapadali at mas mapaigting ang serbisyo natin para sa lahat, para sa tao, patungo sa kaunlaran ng ating mahal na bayan. Ang paglunsad ng RDESYs, wala bang RDE bro? Parang gender inequality ka agad. At programang KUGOS ng pamantasan ng Bicol ay napakagandang hangarin upang ang lahat ng ating serbisyo, programa at pagtugon ay totoong nakasentro sa pangangailangan ng mga Biwenyos, mga Bicolano at mga kasamang ahensya at grupo, lalo sa isang malawakang pagtugon sa tawag ng napapanatiling pag-unlad o sustainable development. Wala akong ibang baong pagtugon na inspirasyon dahil naniniwala ako na ang inspirasyon ay hindi lamang nagmumula sa akin o sa kanino mang pinuno o direktor, kundi sa ating lahat. Ang inspirasyon ay magmula sa paghahayag ng magandang kaisipan tungo sa ikaunlad ng bawat isa, lalo na ang ating minamahal na institusyon, ang pamantasan ng Bicol. Ang aking nais na maipahayag sa inyo ay walang iba kundi ang walang hanggang pasasalamat sa inyong patuloy at walang sawang suporta, kabutihang loob at maayos na kaisipan sa pagtatrabaho na nagdudulot ng mga ganitong malikhaing inobasyon. Ang inyong patuloy na totoo at busilak na pagpupunyagi upang makamit natin ang ating adhikain at misyon bilang isang tanyag, maayos at mabuting pamantasan ng Bicol ay malugod kong nagiging inspirasyon na dala-dala sa bawat araw ng ating paglalakbay tungo sa pagiging pamantasan para sa sangkatauhan, tungo sa napapanatiling pag-unlad. Sa ating mga katuwang sa pagpapaunlad, mga direktor, at pinuno ng bawat sangay ng lokal at nasyonal na tanggapan o sangay ng ating pamahalaan, maraming salamat sa pakikiisa sa napaka-mapagpalang paglulunsad ng ating mga inobasyon at programa. Hiling namin ang patuloy ninyong suporta at kooperasyon sa bawat adhikain upang lalong maisaayos ang ating mahal na pamantasang Bicol. Higit sa lahat, ang aking taus-pusong pagbati at walang hanggang pasasalamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng tanggapan ng Pangalawang Pangulo para sa pananaliksik, pagpapaunlad at gawaing ekstensyon. Ipagpatuloy natin ang diwa ng pagkakaisa tungo sa tunay na pag-unlad at maayos at mabuting pamamalakad ng Bicol University. Padagos lamang po, mga kapwa ko Buenos, mga katuwang namin sa pagpapaunlad ng ating bayan. Diyos ang magbalo sa gabos.
Thank you, Dr. Nebres III, for that powerful and encouraging message. Tunay nga talaga na yung ilo-launch natin na program ngayong hapon ay tugon sa pangangailangan ng BUenyo at of course ang komunidad ng ating probinsya or siguro ng ating rehiyon. Tama?
Yes, partner.
Of course. So before we proceed, we would also like to acknowledge the President of Bugay, Ma'am Indira Tabo. Ma'am, if you're here. Ay, Buufay, sorry po. Buufay, and also the Vice Chair of Bugay, Luis Banwa. Sir?
Thank you, sir. Tulad nga ng sinabi ni Dr. Jose Rizal, ang hindi marunong lumingon sa pinanggalingan ay hindi makararating sa paroroonan. Kaya bago tayo magpatuloy sa formal na paglulunsad ng RDESYs at BU KUGOS, atin pong tunghayan ng isang video presentation na naglalaman ng mga tagumpay ng Research, Development, and Extension mula taong 2023 hanggang sa kasalukuyan. Dahil sa pagtanaw natin sa nakaraan, mas lalo nating mapapalakas at mapapabuti ang ating mga hakbang sa hinaharap. Technical team, please play the video.
Bicol University's Office of the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension has been moving with purpose, turning ideas into impact and research into real solutions for people and communities. Some research transforms into programs that touch lives directly. Through the Mary's Initiative, in partnership with APAD Philippines, we are building the resilience of micro-entrepreneurs, helping them prepare for and recover from challenges that threaten their livelihoods. Other research shapes the policies that guide our future. The RDESYs project gave birth to the Bicol Consortium for Regional Startup Enablers and paved the way for Legazpi City's adoption of the Startup Ecosystem Roadmap, cementing innovation as a driver of local development. And some research takes the path to market, like our energy bar, providing life-saving nutrition in emergencies, and Pili Daily, promoting wellness through Bicol's own Pili Nut. These products turn university research into solutions you can hold, taste, and benefit from. Each pathway shows that our work does not end in publications. It lives in projects, shapes policies, and enters markets. This is research reaching beyond the university gates. In just 2 years, BU research funding has grown through engagements, researchers producing publications, and securing new intellectual property registrations. This brought means more capacity to innovate and more impact on the ground. Through the Extension Management Division, we have reached record numbers of beneficiaries, empowering communities with knowledge, skills, and opportunities for a better future. With enabling policies approved by the BU Board of Regents, our foundation is stronger than ever. From the RDE manual, to the University Research Agenda, to the establishment of the BU Ethics Review Board and its policies, we are building systems that will sustain innovation for decades to come. Through KUGOS and our College Banners initiatives, we unite science and service, bringing research where it matters most. We have welcomed university fellows and expanded research grants, all anchored on one guiding principle. Bicol University is a university for humanity. Ahead lies an exciting future. BU Health Sync, bringing accessible healthcare through technology. BU Pulse, driving impactful commercialization of university-developed tech. Program Prime, a DBM-funded initiative born out of Mary's, empowering micro-entrepreneurs for resilience. Each one is a step toward making our research reach farther and touch more lives. These milestones are made possible by strong partnerships, amplifying our reach and multiplying our impact. Bicol University's research development and extension are about more than knowledge creation. They are about lives transformed, communities empowered, and a region moving forward. This is our promise. This is our path. Bicol University, a university for humanity.
Thank you very much. Ayan, dahil tayo ay lumingon sa ating pinanggalingan, tayo ay makakarating sa ating pinaroroonan. Of course, di ba? Alright. Sa likod ng bawat tagumpay ng ating Research, Development, and Extension Unit ay ang mga masisipag at mahuhusay na opisyal kasama ang kanilang mga team na walang sawang nagtrabaho upang maipagpatuloy ang maayos na operasyon at makapaghatid ng dekalidad na serbisyo. Sa puntong ito, nais nating bigyang pagkilala ang mga tagapagtaguyod ng iba't ibang dibisyon at sentro sa ilalim ng Research, Development, and Extension. Dr. Babyboy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President for Bicol University. Dr. Lani L. Maceda, Vice President, Research, Development, and Extension. Dr. Elmer A. Lorenzana, Director, Research and Development Management Division. Dr. Marcia Corazon P. Rico. Extension Management Division. Nicanor B. Balbin, Director, Intellectual Property Management Division. Professor Erwin E. Torres, Director, Publication and Knowledge Management Division. Rebecca Rosario O. Bercaso, PhD, Director, Center for Teaching Excellence. Elmer A. Lorenzana, PhD, Director, Center for Policy Studies and Development. Arnulfo P. Malines, PhD, Director, Center for Technology, Commercialization, and Enterprise Development. Professor Maria Janessa A. Reyes, Director, Biofood Innovation and Commercialization Center. Professor Magnolia Vida A. Cano, Director, Regional Center for Science and Mathematics, Education Development. Professor Maria Crispina B. Baltazar, Director, Regional Center for Food Safety and Quality Assurance. And Professor Alfonso M. Piñol Jr., Director, Fabrication Laboratory Bicol. Bigyan naman po natin sila ng palakpakan.
Thank you very much for your hard work. Of course, we won't forget the people of the hour, the dedicated individuals behind the RDESYs and BU KUGOS program. The transformative journey of RDESYs began under the leadership of Dr. Lani L. Maceda, Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, whose strong advocacy for data-driven governance and smarter systems paved the way for this initiative. Guiding its design, development, and operational rollout is Dr. Elmer A. Lorenzana, Director of the Research and Development Management Division, whose direction ensured that RDESYs remained firmly aligned with Bicol University's institutional goals. At the heart of this achievement is a passionate and collaborative team, researchers, study leaders, and developers, working hand in hand to reimagine how the university manages research, development, and extension. Leading the project, Dr. Jennifer Levido, together with study leaders Dr. Mary Joy Cannon, Professor Arlene Satuito, and Dr. Aris Ordonez. RDESYs is a proudly product of homegrown talent. A round of applause for them. So that's the team. What makes this system unique is the team of young developers, mentored closely by their advisors who built it from ground up. The content management system was developed by the BS Information Technology alumni during their on-the-job training. Ian Chester Chapman, James Henry Noblesa, John Paul Noble, John Evan Solanoy, and Mark Bitancourt. Meanwhile, the Proposal Management Information System, PROMIS, was co-developed by the BS Computer Science alumni as again part of OJT and thesis work. Sai J. Herrera, Joshua Vergara, J. Cleofe, Ignacio Tabog III, with their advisors, again, Dr. Jennifer Llovido and Dr. Michael Angelo Brogada. Today, RDESYs continues to grow. Two of these alumni, Sai J. Herrera and Joshua Vergara, now serve as official system developers, working alongside lead programmer Cendric Namia. Cendric? Also a BS Computer Science alumna, they now enhance the platform they helped build, providing Bicol University not only develop systems, but also nurtures the talent behind them. Supporting the system's implementation and sustainability are the dedicated technical staff of the OVP RDE. Of course, we will not forget them, who ensure smooth testing, deployment, and coordination across all units. Sir Janelle Regala, maybe you're here. Joseph Martin Paet, Fritzy Lorca, Amabel De Luna, Maria Celina Eladia Meneses, Gremil Alessandro Nas, Syra Batalier, and Christian Baino. This is the RDE system. I think they deserve to stand up and be recognized for their hard work. So please. A dynamic collaboration of faculty researchers, staff, and a new generation of IT professionals united by one purpose: to empower research and extension through smart systems, local talent, and lasting innovation. So now, to introduce formally the RDESYs, may we invite on stage Dr. Lani L. Maceda, the dedicated Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension. Ma'am?
In today's digital age, efficiency and integration define success. At Bicol University, we rise to the challenge of transforming how research and extension are managed and shared. Welcome to a milestone moment in Bicol University's pursuit of innovation and excellence in research, development, and extension. As we continue to embrace the digital age, the Office of the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension proudly introduces the RDESYs, a centralized digital platform that streamlines the entire research, development, and extension process. From design and monitoring to evaluation and policy making, RDESYs is more than a system. It is a commitment to efficiency, transparency, and innovation. With four powerful components: RDESYs CMS, Content Management System; RDESYs Promise Plus, an enhanced proposal management information system; RDESYs Inspire, integrated system for project implementation and research evaluation; and the RDESYs Scorecard. Backed by a secure and resilient network server architecture, offering scalability, protection, and 24/7 reliability, RDESYs keeps transactions safe, seamless, and sustainable. RDESYs empowers faculty, research coordinators, and extension leaders to work smarter, faster, and together. Built with purpose, powered by innovation, RDESYs is here, ready to transform the future of RDE one click at a time. Join us as we unveil a platform built by the university, for the university, driving impactful research and meaningful extension work across the region and beyond.
At Bicol University, we believe that research, development, and extension are the heartbeat of innovation, driving our vision of being a university for humanity. At the core of this transformative mission is the Office of the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, where bold ideas evolve into impactful solutions. With growing faculty participation in research and a steady annual target increase of 10%, OVP RDE is driving a culture of innovation across the university. This momentum is guided by our commitment to national and international standards and aligned with global priorities such as the Sustainable Development Goals to ensure that our RDE services are inclusive, high quality, and globally responsive. In today's digital era, data isn't just information, it's power. At Bicol University, we're harnessing that power to reshape how RDE is managed, smarter, faster, and more connected than ever before. Introducing RDESYS, our centralized web-based platform designed to revolutionize how research, development, and extension are managed across the university. RDESYS supports organized workflows, seamless collaboration, and real-time tracking across all RDE functions. At its core, RDESYS integrates 4 powerful tools for a seamless RDE lifecycle. RDESYS CMS, the OVP RDE's digital gateway to timely, accessible, and well-organized research, development, and extension content from its divisions and centers. Publish articles, news, policies, and forms with ease, thanks to a user-friendly interface and smart categorization. Find exactly what you need, anytime, anywhere. RDESYS Promise Plus. Say hello to faster and smarter proposal management. Track every step in real time, no more guesswork. Submit, review, approve, and report, all in one platform. RDESYS Inspire, a project monitoring module to track milestones, timelines, and deliverables of approved R&D projects. RDESYS Scorecard, a performance analytics module that transforms RDE performance data into measurable visual insights, empowering decision makers with facts that matter. Together, these tools are supported by a robust network server architecture designed for scalability, security, and 24/7 reliability. And we are just getting started. Soon, RDESYS will expand with RDESYS Extension, a dedicated suite built to advance extension services and deepen our impact on communities. Now in the design, development, and implementation pipeline, RDESYS Promise 4E, RDESYS MM4E, and RDESYS Scorecard 4E. From design to deployment, testing to policy integration, RDESYS is more than just a system. It's a commitment to efficiency, transparency, and innovation. With RDESYS, we unlock a future where research thrives, extension empowers, and data drives progress. Together, we are building a more connected, efficient, and empowered future for research, for service, and for the Bicolano community and beyond.
Wow, that is the RDECs. Palakpakan naman po natin ulit ang team ng RDECs. Talaga nga namang binubuo ng mga matatalino at talented na BUNyo. No? Palakpakan po natin ulit ang team ng RDECs. Alright, so before we proceed with our program, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our mayor, Honorable Hisham Ismail. Sir? Good afternoon po. Of course, we will not forget the dedicated people who have been instrumental in the creation and the development of KUGOS. We will start with Dr. Lani Maceda, ma'am, Dr. Elmer A. Lorenzana, Professor Amabella A. De Luna, Professor Karen B. Liadones, please stand up to be acknowledged. Professor Priscilita P. Perez, Professor Pamela N. Rojas, Professor Angelo C. Oclaray, and Dr. Rowena F. Zoilo. Bigyan naman po natin ng malakas na palakpak ang team na bumubuo ng KUGOS. Bigyan natin sila ng isang mainit na pagyakap sa pagbuo ng KUGOS. Alright, For the introduction of the KUGOS program, let us, let us now call on the esteemed Professor Karen B. Liadones, the program leader of BU KUGOS.
Maray na hapon sa Gabos. As part of its enduring commitment to its vision of becoming a university for humanity, Bicol University, through BOR Resolution Number 49, Series of 2024, a transformative extension program titled BU KUGOS for Sustainable Communities, harmonizing efforts through extension, community engagement, and learning services, rooted in the Bicol word KUGOS, meaning to embrace, to cuddle, and carry. The program symbolizes the BU's mission to actively carry and support the communities toward inclusive and sustainable development. BU KUGOS aligns academic resources and research outputs with the actual needs of communities across the Bicol region. Through multi-sectoral collaboration and people-centered programming, the initiative aims to strengthen grassroots resilience and capacity. The BU KUGOS initiative is structured into key thematic projects, each tailored to address specific development goals in agriculture, fisheries, environment, education, health, governance, business, culture, and vulnerable sectors. KUGOS para UMA, adapting technology for better farming and food security. KUGOS para Sira, adapting technology for better fishing and food security. KUGOS Kinakban, linking land and sea for economy and biodiversity. KUGOS Kapalibotan, community empowerment for environmental resilience. KUGOS Negosyante, strengthening innovation for business. KUGOS Líderes, strengthening governance, focusing on local leadership development. KUGOS Salud kang mga tao, improving community health, service access. KUGOS Edukasyon kang mga tao, education and skills training for livelihoods. KUGOS Pamilya as sinangangaipong grupo, empowering families and marginalized groups. KUGOS Pamanang Kultural as in turismo, heritage, growth, agri, and ecotourism. These projects will be implemented in key sites across the Bicol region: Barangay Bagakay and Legazpi City, Albay, Pamplona, Camarines Sur, Vinsons, Camarines Norte, Gubat, Sorsogon, Aroroy, Masbate, and Pandan, Catanduanes. Through BU KUGOS, Bicol University transcends traditional academic boundaries, transforming into a dynamic force for societal development. Recognizing the power of collaboration, Bicol University is actively tapping partnership with NGOs, national government agencies, and private stakeholders to support the implementation. This multi-sectoral engagement ensures that the program is not only academically sound, but also practically grounded and community-led. By capacitating communities through research-based interventions and participatory planning, BU KUGOS helps build a future where local people are not just recipients of aid, but leaders of their own transformation. What sets BU KUGOS apart is its deeply human approach. Through this integrated model of extension, instruction, and research, BU brings education to where it's most needed. From the mountaintops to the seashores, from the public markets to classroom without walls. As Bicol University continues to walk with and work for the people of the region, the KUGOS initiative embodies what it means to be a university for humanity. The beacon of knowledge, compassion, and inclusive progress. And in the spirit of KUGOS, the university carries not just programs or services, but the dreams, stories, and futures of every Bicolano it serves. This integrated approach, bridging research, extension, and instruction, BU KUGOS brings education to the heart of the community and the community to the heart of the university. Hashtag BU KUGOS, hashtag University for Humanity. Lagit-lagi para sa Bicol University, Lagit-lagi para sa bayan at para sa mga pamayanan. Presenting the KUGOS program.
A warm round of applause, please.
The BCall University's vision, a university for humanity, and the Regional Development Plan 2023 to 2028 for the BCall region serves as a blueprint for inclusive growth, poverty reduction, and resilience, anchored on Ambition Natin 2040, the Philippine Development Plan, and the Global Sustainable Development Goals. Aligned with national priorities, the BCall RDP focuses on addressing poverty, creating decent work, and building sustainable communities. BCall University plays a vital role in steering regional development, guided by its vision of being a university for humanity through instruction, research, and extension. Through KUGOS, BU excels, the university bridges academic learning and community engagement, harmonizing instruction, research, and extension. A comprehensive community needs assessment in conducted identified priority areas: agriculture, fisheries, education, healthcare, DRRM, environmental protection, and families and vulnerable sectors, good governance, small-medium enterprises, cultural preservation. These needs guided tailored interventions, capacity building for farmers, fisherfolks, skills training, healthcare support, disaster readiness, and livelihood programs to strengthen resilience and well-being. BCall University launched the KUGOS initiative, symbolizing unity and cooperation in harmonizing efforts for sustainable communities. From agriculture to ecotourism through innovative technology, KUGOS promotes sustainability while safeguarding natural resources for future generations. KUGOS reflects the power of education, collaboration, and unity, laying the foundation for a resilient and prosperous BCall region, in line with Ambition Natin 2040 and the Sustainable Development Goals. Thus, the expansion and reach extends to other municipalities in the other provinces of BCall: Gubat in Sorsogon, Pamplona in Camarines Sur, Vinzons in Camarines Norte, Oroloy in Masbate, Pandan in Catanduanes. Together, let us carry forward sustainable communities, for the BCall Lanos, for the nation, and for humanity.
So thank you very much, Professor Lladones, and to the team. Isang malaking kugos to you and your team. So to formally commence the RDESYs and KUGOS program, we invite the following esteemed individuals to the stage for the ceremonial launch: Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin D. Nebres III, Dr. Lani L. Maceda, Professor Sonny A. Ramos, to be represented by Dr. Alwin Joseph M. Maceres, and Professor Cyrus A. Barameda. Please come up on stage. And I think you have to do something later, ma'am. You have to place your hand somewhere over there. So while we are waiting for our team, maybe you can practice it already. Yeah, I think it's a pray over. So there you have to. And then you have to place your hand. I think it's in the middle. It's only your. So let's have first a photo opportunity, and then afterwards we will count. So are you ready, everyone? Yes, I can hear a yes at the back. So let's count together for the official launching of the RDESYs and KUGOS program. So join us, everyone. 10,
9, 8,
8,
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the RDESYs and BU KUGOS program. Palakpakan naman po natin ang dalawang project na nilaunch natin this afternoon. What a historic moment. No, partner?
Yes.
Siguro before we proceed, we will be having a photo opportunity, of course, with all our guests this afternoon. So we would like to invite our guest to be at the front, no? Or of our
Or I
stage.
think the photographer will be here, and then our what do you call this? Our
and guests,
can just
yes.
stay in their seat.
Ayan,
Or
so,
maybe do you like to go in front? It's also okay. So what will we
so
do?
siguro facing na lang po siguro dito, no?
Yes,
Para
so that everyone
yung guest hindi na
will be
mag-move.
included
No?
in the photo.
So pwede po siguro tayong tumayo para makita, kahit yung mga nasa likod, pwede tayong makita sa photo. Kaya po ba, ma'am? To our...
Kaya po ba? There is a request po to please dim the light. So thank you very much, everyone. Bicol University's success is not ours alone. It is a shared triumph with our valued stakeholders. To affirm their commitment to these new initiatives, we invite our stakeholders to come forward and deliver their pledges of support. Let us begin with Director Romel R. Serrano, Director of the Department of Science and Technology, Region 5. Sir, may we hear from you? Yes, sir.
Okay. To our President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres, of course, and colleagues from the Bicol University. Nandito po si Sir Cyrus at saka yung iba, nako, pasensya na po, iba ko makakilala. Si Pinsan, sorry. At sa lahat po, no, ng ating guests, of course, nandito ang ating former NEDA RD Louie at ang kasamahan natin sa DepDev. Dati NEDA, ngayon DepDev, of course. Distinguished guests, partners in research and development and extension, marahay na hapon po tabi sa inyong Gabos. Afternoon. As an organization committed to advancing innovation, the Department of Science and Technology Bicol is honored to join you in launching both the Bicol University RDE Information System or RDESYS and the university's extension program, KUGOS. These initiatives are milestones not only for the university, but the more connected world we all aspire to build. And because of the efforts like this, our shared goal of fostering transparency, engagement, and knowledge sharing with stakeholders become easier to achieve. These programs embody the very spirit of RDE, where ideas are transformed into action, partnerships grow deeper, and innovations truly reach the communities that need them the most. This vision of making innovation accessible aligns with our own work at DOST Bicol. In fact, we've recently opened innovation hubs or iHubs in all provinces of Bicol, situated in each provincial science and technology office to provide a dedicated space where innovation is nurtured, startups receive guidance, and collaborations can take root. Now, these hubs are not merely physical spaces. As one-stop shop for collaboration and growth, they provide expert mentorship, dynamic workspaces, opportunities for market validation, and access to valuable networks, all anchored in the Inspire, Interact, Ideate, and Initiate framework. So, we warmly invite you to visit these iHubs and see for yourself how they encourage collaboration, strengthen partnership, and promote open knowledge sharing. And when we consider your RDESYs and KUGOS programs alongside these iHubs, we can see a powerful synergy, one that has the potential to transform how research and development are delivered and experienced across our region. On behalf of the DOST Bicol, we proudly reaffirm our full support for Bicol University's pursuit of innovation and excellence in research and extension. And together, we look forward to sustaining this partnership, ensuring that the impact of our collective work continues to reach, inspire, and uplift the communities we are all here to serve. Diyos mabalos po sa gabos. And again, good afternoon.
Thank you, Director Serrano. So the word of the day is synergy. Now, let us hear from another valued partner. We would like to call on Professor Indira B. Tabo, President of the Bicol University Faculty Union of Faculty Associations, Incorporated. Ma'am?
To our Honorable Mayor, Hisham Ismail, to the members of the Bicol University Administration headed by our President, Dr. Babyboy Benjamin Nebres III, to our innovators in the RDESYs team and the passionate individuals in the KUGOS team, our external partners and stakeholders, faculty members and guests, good afternoon. The Bicol University Union of Faculty Associations Incorporated expresses its support for Bicol University's RDESYs and KUGOS programs, a framework and a beacon of compassion, unity, and service to the community. As the BUFI President, I pledge to uphold its mission by extending help and support to faculty members who take part in the initiatives forwarded by RDESYs and KUGOS. As much as we give importance to our service to the university and the external community, BUFI shall support RDESYs and KUGOS through its steadfast commitment that faculty rights and well-being shall always be valued. Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you, Professor Tabo. Let us now hear from another key stakeholder, Attorney Alex P. Nepomuceno, Alumni Regent, President of the Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated, to be represented by Louis Banwa. Sir?
Thank you, ma'am. Maray na hapon sa Endogabos. to the forever young president of Bicol University, baby boy Benjamin Nebres, RD Romel Serrano, alumni of the DOST and alumni of Bicol University, RD Cynthia Berses, the Regional Director of Development Department of Economy and Planning for Development, and also Regent of Bicol University, represented by Engineer Eli Adan, RD Rodel Tornilla of the Department of Agriculture, duly represented, and also Regent of Bicol University, Professor Indira Tabo, the Faculty Regent, the Vice Presidents, Deans, and Faculty, ladies and gentlemen, marayang hapon. I'm here to represent Attorney Alex Nepomuceno, the President of the Bicol University General Alumni Association. We are here, we are happy, and we appreciate the official launch of the Bicol University RDE Info System and the KUGOS. We would like to express our support to this initiative, and we will do that in the implementation of the 10 programs of the Alumni Association. I hope you will give me time to enumerate the 10 items. First is the Bugaay Kaagapay program. Parang itong Wish Upon a Star, Making Dreams Come True. The second is the reorganization of the alumni clubs and organization. The third is Alumni Scholarship Program. Fourth is Medical Health and Wellness Program. The fifth is on Education, Culture, Arts Program. Sixth is Network Linkages and Job Placement. Number 7 is Community Relations, Peace and Development. Number 8 is Alumni Senior Citizen Program. And then we also have the income generating programs, projects, and activities. And the last, and we invite you on December, the Bicol University Grand Christmas Family Day Alumni Celebration. So we will do that. We will be informing the alumni of these activities as we implement these activities. Thank you.
Thank you, Sir Banwa. For now, let us take a brief pause from our program to be serenaded by the angelic voices of the BU Chorale. Good afternoon, everyone. You may now take your snacks.
Gird on your heart, listening to a favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I've met a gentle person, and she lives perfect. It's on the surface. You perfect tonight.
Wow, thank you very much, BU Choral, for that wonderful performance. It's nice no na ma-serenade ng BU Choral while we are eating our snacks this afternoon. Palakpakan po ulit natin ang BU Choral. Maraming salamat po for serenading us this afternoon. All right, so let's move forward. To express our heartfelt gratitude, we now present certificates of appreciation to our committed stakeholders. Once the name of your office is called, please proceed to the center stage. Of course, they will be awarded by the Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, Dr. Danny L. Maceda, and of course, Professor Sonny A. Ramos, Vice President for Planning and Development, to be represented by Professor Alwin Maceres, and Cyrus A. Barameda, Vice President for Administration and Finance. So we would like to invite our Vice President to be at this. And of course, our Director, Professor Elmer Lorenzana. Let me read the citation. Republic of the Philippines, Bicol University, Legazpi City, Certificate of Appreciation. This certificate is presented to Department of Science and Technology Region 5 in recognition and heartfelt appreciation for the unwavering support, meaningful collaboration, and outstanding contributions to the research and extension initiatives of Bicol University. Your commitment to innovation, community empowerment, dissemination, and utilization has significantly contributed to the University for Humanities' mission of fostering inclusive and sustainable development in the Bicol region. Given this 20th day of August, during the Stakeholders Appreciation launching of RDEC and KUGOS program with the theme, Rama, Actions for Network, Growth and Appreciation, held at Hotel Luca, Legazpi City. Signed by Dr. Bingboy Benjamin D. Nebres III, SUC President 4. We would like to call the representative of Department of Science and Technology and of course, sa stage. Again, we would like to call the representative of Department of Science and Technology, Region 5. Alright, so we'll be moving forward. The same certificate of appreciation is also awarded to the Department of Trade and Industry Region 5. Another representative from DTI Region 5. Let's give DTI Region 5 a round of applause. Thank you so much, sir. The same certificate is awarded to Commission Higher Education Region 5. Let's give Chad, RO5, a round of applause. Any representative from Chad? Alright. The same certificate of appreciation is also awarded to Department of Information and Communications Technology, Regional Office 5. Bigyan naman po natin ng palakpak ang DICT Regional Office 5. Thank you so much, DICT. Palakpakan po ulit natin ang DICT. The same certificate is awarded to Department of Economy, Planning, and Development, Regional Office 5. Any representative po from Department of Economy, Planning, and Development, Regional Office 5. Thank you so much, sir. The same certificate is awarded to Department of Environment and Natural Resources, Regional Office 5. Any representative po from DNR. Let's give ma'am a round of applause. The same certificate is awarded to Department of Social Welfare and Development, FO5. Certificate of Appreciation is also presented to Bureau of Fisheries and Aquatic Resources, Regional Office 5. Thank you so much, ma'am. The same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Department of Interior and Local Government, Regional Office 5. Thank you so much, sir. The same certificate of appreciation is awarded to Department of Education, Regional Office 5. Thank you so much, sir. Certificate of appreciation is also presented to the Department of Agriculture, RFO 5. Thank you so much, ma'am. Palakpakan naman po natin ang ating mga stakeholders. same certificate of appreciation is also awarded to Bicol Consortium for Industry, Energy, and Emerging Technology Research and Development. Any representative? Certificate of appreciation is also presented to Bicol Consortium for Agriculture and Aquatic Resources, Research and Development. Certificate of appreciation is also presented to Local Government Unit of Legazpi City. Good afternoon. Thank you so much. Certificate of appreciation is also presented to Barangay Bagakay, Legazpi City. Representative from Barangay Bagakay. Palakpakan po natin ulit ang representative ng Barangay Bakakay, Legazpi City. Thank you so much, ma'am. Certificate of appreciation is also presented to Bicol University Union of Faculty Association Incorporated. Thank you so much, ma'am. And last but not the least, certificate of appreciation is also presented to Bicol University General Alumni Association Incorporated. Thank you so much, sir. And for the last time, bigyan po natin ng malakas na palakpakan ng ating stakeholders. Maraming salamat sa ating stakeholders for attending this afternoon's activity. To formalize their support, we now invite again our stakeholders to sign the Pledge of Commitment. Of course, we would also like to request Then we would like to request again DOST, DTI, CHED, DICT, DepDev, DNR, DSWD, BEFOR, DILG, DepEd, BA, BIA, BCIERD, BICARD, LGU Legazpi, Bagakay Barangay Council, Buufay, Bugaay, and a representative from Bicol University to sign the Pledge of Commitment. So punta lang po tayo dito sa left side of or right side of our venue this afternoon. KUGOS program. Maraming salamat sa ating stakeholders for signing the Pledge of Commitment. Again, we are witnessing the representatives of DOST, DTI, SHED, DICE, DepDev, DNR, DSWD, DeFort, DILG, DepEd, DA, DIA, BCIEERD, DCARD, LGU Legazpi, Bagakay Barangay Council, Kuufay, Bugaay, and a representative from Bicol University as they sign the Pledge of Commitment. The ceremonial signing of our valued stakeholders is a symbol of their commitment in achieving our targets. Achieving our targets. Achieving the in achieving, of course, the vision of we would also like to request the deans and directors to sign in the Pledge of Commitment. Of course, we have here Director Vincent Rivera, the Dean of SIDEM, Professor Jocelyn Serrano, the Dean of UCS, Dr. Karina Sales, the Dean of IPSR, Dr. Mary Joy Gatangi, the Dean of Butalaki, Dr. Jonathan Arroco, the Dean of Physics, Director Dr. Noemi Ibo, the Dean of GMRIG, Dr. Sherlene Basilo, the Dean of Dental Medicine, and Architect Maureen Smith, the Dean of KUI. For the stage decor, Rennie P. Jenny, Owen C. Samson, and Jeffrey D. Peregrino.
For the documentation, Russell M. Rodriguez.
For the usherettes, Joyce Camille Sete Echada, Joan D. Shamicho, Kimberly D. Pavilano, and Yolanda Nogueta D. Buano.
We also have our media partners from DCG and representatives from Philippine Information Agency. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat.
Palakpakan naman po natin ang team behind these events.
The journey toward the more innovative Bicol University continues. To give us the closing remarks, let us all welcome the distinguished Director of Regional Center for Science and Mathematics Education Development, Professor Magnolia Vida A. Cano.
Thank you. So to our esteemed University President, Dr. Baby Boy Benjamin Nebres III, our Vice President for Research, Development, and Extension, and the key mover of this event, our other Vice Presidents, and our guests, good afternoon. As we come to the close of today's launching of the RDESYs and the BU KUGOS agenda, and the BU KUGOS program, and in behalf of the RDE family, I extend our deepest gratitude to all of you for joining us in this important milestone. The RDESYs is more than just a digital platform. It is a symbol of our collective commitment to raising the quality, efficiency, and impact of research and extension. By streamlining proposal review and fostering collaboration, we are paving the way for a more meaningful output that will benefit not only the university, but also the communities we serve. In the same spirit, the KUGOS program is not merely an extension program. It is Bicol University's way of embracing its communities. It represents the university's commitment to stand with the people, to understand their struggles, and to work hand in hand in building a better future. Together, RDESYs and KUGOS serve as twin pillars. One, empowering us with tools for efficiency, while the other, guiding us with a vision for relevance and impact with a heart. We also take this opportunity to recognize and appreciate the invaluable support of our stakeholders in research and extension, partners in government, in industry, non-government organizations, and in the private sector. The load becomes less of a burden with partners, isn't it? So special thanks to our very dynamic president for your continued support, and of course the BU community through the deans and directors, faculty, researchers, and extension workers. Your presence is a testament of your commitment to work together as a family to face all hurdles as we move toward our goals. And of course, to the entire Office of the Research, Development, and Extension, and the people behind RDESYs and KUGOS, congratulations. Your dynamism and passion is an inspiration. Big thanks as well to the dedicated technical staff, administrative personnel, and other support staff whose behind-the-scenes commitment ensures that our programs and initiatives run effectively. And this launching in particular, your collective contributions, insights, and hard work are what makes milestones like this possible and sustain the momentum of our shared mission. With this new system, we look forward to generating more innovative research, more responsive extension programs, and stronger partnership that address both local and global challenges. Once again, thank you for your presence and your continued commitment. Let us move forward with renewed energy and shared purpose. as we work together to make research and extension a true driver of progress, sustainability, and development. Good afternoon, and may we all continue advancing knowledge, innovation, and service to our collective efforts. May God bless us all. Thank you very much.
And with that, we conclude our program. Thank you all for being part of this landmark event. May the RDESYs and KUGOS program open doors to a brighter future for our university and our community. Muli, isang mapagpalang hapon sa ating lahat. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang Bicol University!